Are you embarrassed with how handy you are? Are you sick of wasting your time on hobbies that steal your money and leave you with nothing but a sore back? And do you like saving money? If that sounds like you, you're in with some luck. Over the last couple of years, I've slowly built up my skills and my tools to be a moderately okay woodworker and DIYer. Now, I'm not saying I'm an expert.
Pretty hard to fix that.
I just punched myself in the face. But I still think I'm onto something worth sharing. So now, I make videos that show that DIY and woodworking are empowering hobbies within anyone's reach. I do this because getting into DIY and woodwork is one of the best decisions I've ever made. It's made me feel more competent and less useless. It's saved me some money because I can do much more myself. And I've fallen in love with the feeling of pride you get after finishing a project. So if you feel like there's something missing in your life and you're looking for a couple of hobbies to fill the gap, make sure you smash the subscribe button, hit the little bell so you don't miss any videos, and come along for the ride on Made by Beau.